Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create puzzle using your Cricut machine. So the materials I'm going to use for my puzzle is sticker paper and cardstock. You can also use chipboard if you have the Cricut maker, or you can use cereal box or poster board, but I'm just going to use heavy cardstock for mine. The first thing I'm going to do is go in images, type in puzzle, and I'm going to select the one I'm going to use. I'm going to select this one, insert image, and I'm just going to resize it a bit smaller. Let's say 8. Okay. Now, for my puzzle, I am going to ungroup it. And as you can see, there are 2 layers. I am going to get rid of this one. And I also want to get rid of this part here. So select the image and contour. And I'm just gonna click this part here. And let's see. Hold on. Go back. Select. Okay, so I just want this part. Now for my image, I am going to upload a picture of my wedding day to use. So select complex and continue, and I'm going to save it as a print and cut image. Save. Okay, select it and insert image. Now for print and cut image, Cricut only allows a certain amount of size. So this is the size 6.75 by 9.25 or less. So my image, I am going to unlock it and make it 6 by 8. Good. And for my puzzle, I'm going to do the same thing. 6 by 8. Okay, I have to unlock it first. Okay, now I'm just gonna make sure that both image is the same size. Select both, align center, and I'm going to attach the image. What attach does, it fuses the image into one. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the definition on the screen, and now I'm going to make it.